Hi, my name is Christian. I'm with Ideal Air Conditioning Installation. I'm part of the install crew.
I'm Keaton. I'm with Ideal Air Installation, and I'm also on the install crew.
All right, so one of the topics we're going to be talking about today is your yearly maintenance around your house, as far as changing batteries for smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and most importantly, your thermostat. One of the good ways to tell if your thermostat does not require batteries is if it's hooked up to an app or to Wi-Fi. We can always double check out the thermostat, and Keaton here will show us how to pop the thermostat off the wall.
You want to grab it right here on the bottom with your thumb and pull up. Oh, look at that. This one has batteries.
So it's important to change those at least once a year.
Now when you're done changing your batteries, make sure they're going the right way, positive and negative. Start on the top, click it right back in.
And just like that, you change the batteries on your thermostat. If you have any questions or need any help, your Ideal Air, I'll call.